What is going on, YouTube? Hey, I don't have a lot of time. We are racing the sun. You can see it coming up behind me. We are duck hunting today. Hadn't had any ducks in a while. I found some, got permission from the landowner, and we're gonna get after them. So we're gonna set these decoys up. So stay tuned. Put the string over the duck. It's still hot. It's January 8th right now, and it is absolutely warm. It's like 40, 38. It's supposed to be 60 today. Anyway, we're walking in the right direction. We got the decoys out. Just went and parked the Ranger, and we're gonna get after them. So you guys stick around. Once sun up gets around, hopefully we got some ducks coming in.
We didn't even get that one grunt. I thought we hit that one.
What? Yeah. Good shooting. Saving them for tomorrow.
We're just running them off. Oh, boy, that's... Well, it's finally shooting light. We just had a good group come in on us. I was trying to video, but I don't know what I got. They're straight above us. There's two more. Two of them.
Huh? Yeah, we got one.
Oh, we got two. Okay. Oh.
Take your ring. Taylor, get that on here.
They just kept coming.
Huh?
They weren't anything bad. They just kept coming.
Fetch him up, boy.
Oh heck, we got four coming in.
What? Oh, man, I don't.
They just about landed, didn't they?
I don't discriminate. Holy crap.
Got more coming?
That's my last.
Why'd
Made it rain, boys.
why'd we shoot so soon?
I don't know. I thought these ones that were out to the right were.
And there's a bunch of them.
Oh, we got two coming in. Two coming in. All right, Mick, you ready?
Get him, get him.
There you go,
Good
man.
shot, Mickey.
Good shot.
My last shot. Taylor, fetch him up.
We're gonna have to go get that one. He's gonna swim off.
Yeah, he's swimming pretty fast.
This sucker won't die.
He might come back. Yeah, he's coming for another look. Where's that? Did he land? He hit it.
He said get him.
He landed. Hold on, he landed.
Beat me to it.
I couldn't. My stupid strap keeps flipping over the gun. Couldn't even aim. Well, this has been a tough hunt.
Yeah.
We can't shoot. If we could have hit half the birds we shot at, we'd have a limit.
Yeah.
Actually, we do have. How many we got so far? 10?
Probably got another 6.
Yeah, we've got 2 limits. That's all I got for you guys today. Sorry, I'm walking back to get the four-wheeler. We got to get packed up. I got to go get my kid. So we're done for the day. And it was a pretty good hunt. Like I said, we called the shot just a little bit too early on quite a few of them. The birds kept flaring. I think they were seeing the big grass blinds that were laying on the ground that hadn't been there in a while. Not in a while, that had never been there before at all. And just didn't work out in our favor. But we did kill some birds. I think we killed a 2-man limit. There was 3 of us, so we could have killed a few more. We probably could have sat here all day. We probably could have finished limited out, but like I said, I got to pick my kid up and I got to work tonight, unfortunately. So I don't know when I'm gonna get all this edited, but I got to go through all the footage because I don't know how good the footage is. I was trying to do both video and hunt, and filming a hunt is so hard anyway. Trying to film a duck hunt and hunt at the same time is even harder, so we'll see what we got. Put the GoPro and this clips together because I had it just set up where it was just shooting over the decoys, so I don't know what all I got videoed on this, but we'll get it all home, put it on the computer, go through it. There's a lot of footage to go through, so that's all I got for y'all today. If you would, please smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and be sure and hit that bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys on the next video.